Hey everyone, welcome. On the last video, we talked about exactly how to start your e-commerce journey and what are the best platforms to choose from, detailing you about the pros and cons. On today's video, we are going to give you the exact pathway of creating your account on world's biggest marketplace, that is Amazon, and you will love it. Just stick with this video. Let's jump right into my computer screen. If you want to start your journey on Amazon as a seller, the first and foremost step you need to take is go and sign up on Amazon Seller Central. Now, what is Amazon Seller Central? This is a portal where Amazon take registrations for any seller's whole detail and verify it to give them the seller account through which they can start selling on Amazon and start their business. So we need to go to Google and just search Amazon seller and the website will pop up. Once you click on this website, we'll reach to this particular site where it is written Amazon Seller Central and begin your selling journey on Amazon. So this is for Indians, it is .in. If you are out of India, it might be .com or your particular country's dot whatever it is. Okay, so let's start selling. So to start selling, you need to log in with your Amazon account, whatever the Amazon account you have as a consumer, as a customer, you need to log in through it. Once you log in, it says keep your bank details and PAN card / GST ready because you will need it in the further steps. So these are the two important documents, basically three important documents that you need to have in handy because it will be required in your further steps. So first of all, write your business name. Let's just write one name, test easy ops. Okay, so we have wrote this name because we are just doing it for you guys to understand. When you are going to write, just write your business name, whichever is associated with your business. Okay, let's start continue. Yeah, it would be done any moment now. Yeah, it has done. So it is saying verify your mobile number. Okay, no verification required. So what is the store name you want to give? So no verification is required. Now it is asking what is the store name you want to give. What do you want to call your store? So let's just write easy ups. So you need to select a category. This is a primary category you need to select so that they know whatever product you are selling and charge the commissions and all accordingly. So there are a lot of niches. Just select whichever niche you want. Let's just say consumer electronics and click on continue. Okay, it is showing where the store name will be shown. Okay, now the store name is available. Now these are the address being shown, so will not take any address and all. Receive important messages on WhatsApp, so you will get all the important messages on WhatsApp. These are some shipping information, how the shipping works and all. And these are something to choose like my pin code is eligible for Amazon FBA. So I will select Amazon FBA. For if you want to select some other organizations, you can do that too. And also if you want to pick up your shipping for different addresses, like you don't want all your products to sell from this particular address, you have different addresses too, you have warehouses in different addresses, you can just click here so that Amazon can pick up. And if you don't select it, if you don't select Amazon, you can also select your custom, but for now we'll sell fulfillment by Amazon. Okay, and it is much faster too. Like if you are directly dealing with Amazon for your delivery services, it is much more faster. Amazon FBA much faster than all the alternatives. There are some good alternatives, so we'll do it in the best way possible, but this is also a great alternative. It is easy for beginners, and once you get to advanced level, you can talk to different shipping services and find out the best possible rates available to increase your ROI. Now I'll click enable two-step verification. So now this is a two-step authentication process where you have to give an alternate number where the authentication messages will come if you are going to start selling on Amazon. So if you are going to start Amazon seller account, you want to log in into it, you need to have your two phones because there will be two messages popping up on two phones and you need to verify with both of them so that your Amazon seller account remains very secure. and this is one of the most important steps that you need to follow. So we'll click please send OTP. Once it is sent, we'll just enter the OTP that comes to us. We have to wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it has already arrived. Okay, just enter the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, the message has popped up. So you need to just go to the phone. Okay, so once you have approved it, if you don't get it on your phone, just check your email so that you can approve it. And once you have approved it, this is all done. Now, what is this step? This step is all about asking you that do you want to create an additional process while logging in? Like there will be a OTP coming up once you create your email ID and your password, then another OTP will pop up which you need to place in that so that you can log in now. So this is the whole step as you can see here, but we will not do it for right now. I got it. Please turn on the two-step verification. Now there comes the most important part. If I am from Assam basically, so it has selected Assam. Now these are the things. Now you need to put your GST number and this one. I will update later, but you have to update it. Okay. You need to put your GST number and PAN card number up here. This is why they are always saying you just keep all the things handy. Okay. Now this is your main seller dashboard. Here you have came products to sell. What are the products you need to sell? You can start multiple listing product. Then I have a product with ID, GSTIN and barcode. Do you have a product with GSTIN and barcode, or do you want to sell loose products? Okay, like you are reselling something from other organizations which doesn't have barcode and all. You can do that. Shipping fee you need to calculate. Offer free shipping. So if you want to offer free shipping to people, it would be like 27 rupees local. You can see the shipping charges and all, which we'll talk in the later videos. Then you have to fill in your bank account details, all the tax details, default tax codes, and your signature. You can draw your signature. This is just an like example I am giving you. This is just an example I'm giving you. You can draw your signature or you can upload your signature. Both the things are optional. You can do any one of them, and then you just create on launch your business. So this is the whole step to start your whole Amazon account. And once you did this step, the next video will be coming up where we'll talk in details about what are the shipping fees, how to calculate it, what are the shipping charges with Amazon FBA, what are the shipping charges could be if you go for any third parties delivery fulfillment services like delivery.com, ShipRocket, ShipLite. There are a lot of options that you can go for, and we'll talk about it in details. And in this way we'll complete everything you need to know about selling on Amazon. We'll also talk about how to do product research and what are the product you should select for starting your journey on Amazon. And stick with us because we are going to bring you a lot of value. See you up.